Hello, my name is Angie Geraldine Sain Roa. I am a student graduate maths. Currently, we live in a global world and that is with speaking several languages becomes a fundamental to when it comes to progressing as student and professional. All it is advising to learn another language from a young age. From my personal point of view, and in this future grade in mathematics, it is important to be clear about this language, although it do not master it perfectly. I know that in most countries strict attitude at it used to indicate has might stick for development of this language. Of job opportunities now, several languages can heal and use mental limit. It is attention culture instead understood. It life in custom of these countries creates multi people, increase communication skill, improving listening and daily do also on assignment thanks to the constant mental exercise of travel and communication several languages. Thank you. Bye bye.